In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Uber delivery in Australia and get ready to go online as a courier. We'll walk through the setup process from the very beginning so you know exactly what to prepare and what to expect along the way. The goal here is to get your delivery profile created correctly, upload the required documents, make sure your equipment meets the standard, and then be ready to activate your contractor account once everything is approved. To begin, open Chrome on your computer and go to the official Uber delivery page for Australia. Using Chrome is helpful because it tends to work smoothly with account creation pages, document uploads, and status updates. Once the site loads, look for the option to sign up to deliver and start creating a new delivery profile. As you complete the profile, enter your current Australian contact details for 2026. Make sure everything is localized and up to date, including the phone number and address you plan to use for your delivery work. Accuracy matters here, because these details are often used for account verification, communication, and compliance checks. Double check everything before moving on so you don't run into delays later. Next, upload the required documents to your account. You'll need a current passport scan, your right to work details, and your active ABN credentials. Make sure the passport scan is clear, fully visible, and not cropped. The same goes for any work eligibility documentation. If the platform asks for images or PDFs, use clean, readable files with no glare or blur. For your ABN information, ensure the number is active and matches the details on your profile so the review process goes as smoothly as possible. After that, purchase an insulated catering backpack that complies with global transport standards. This is an important part of preparing to deliver because it helps protect food quality during transport and shows that you're equipped to handle orders professionally. When choosing a bag, look for something durable, well insulated, and large enough for common delivery orders, especially if you may be handling multiple items at once. Once your profile and documents are submitted, keep an eye on your browser-based contractor interface. Uber will update your account as your safety background clearance is reviewed. When those status indicators turn green, that means the required checks have been approved and you're ready for the final step. At that point, click Go Online inside the contractor interface. That action signals that your account is active and ready to begin accepting delivery opportunities. From there, you'll be set up to start working through the platform with your approved profile, verified documents, and delivery gear in place.